Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful jute ideas. So friends, let's start today's videos. Another favorite storage basket, jute storage basket. These baskets are perfect for organized clothes, belly storage, towel, or small household items. They are both useful and stylish. Jute is also perfect for creating wall hanging and wooden rings, tasteless fractals, or artificial flower to make a beautiful piece of wall art. This handmade decoration brings a cozy and natural feeling to any room. You can also make table mat and coaster using jute. Drop their nature text to protect your while adding a rustic touch to your dining table and your friends. Photo frame with jute. Simply pop the frame with jute drop and decorate it with seashells, button, dry flower, or tiny wooden hearts. Your favorite memory will look even more special for garden lover. Jute can be used to decorate flower pots, wall plain pots with jute top, and finish them with a ribbon or bow. The result is simple, elegant, perfect for both indoor and outdoor plants and frames. My next idea is weavers. Jute crafts are also wonderful special sessions. You can create gifts, bag, handle, bath, wedding decoration, and holiday ornament using this nature material. One of the best things about jute is its many decoration style. Whether your home is modern, farmers, vintage, jute, and beautifully with wooden, stone, greenery, and natural colors. These projects are also beginner friendly. You don't need expensive tools and advanced skills. With glue, scissors, jute drop, and a few decorative items, you can create beautifully handmade pieces that look personal. And friends, weavers. I hope you are enjoying my videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon